Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I wanted to share with you really quick the Glossybox Mother's Day limited edition box because it's still available. These usually sell out super quick, and I just noticed they have some inventory on these, so I wanted to share it. These boxes are going for $35 or $30 if you're a Glossybox subscriber, which I am because I love these boxes, but $35 if you're not. And this box has a value of over $275. Such an awesome deal. They come in a really pretty little box, and you have so many full-size products in this one. It's crazy. There's a GrandePOUT Plumping Lip Mask. You've got to give them Lala Beauty Mascara, a Volumizing Mist, some brushes. You've got a really nice palette, a Glow Micro Peel, pair of sunglasses, and then there's 4 Glasshouse fragrances. So anyway, you could divide this up or just gift it to yourself because this is such a neat box, such a great value, and again, $35. Really awesome. I will leave links as to where you can find this. Probably my very, very favorite box they've done yet. So anyway, there's a look at that. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.